So what you can do with Lovable is it allows you to build out web apps that you can use as websites. So I don't want to lose you here, but essentially, let's say that you have an idea of something that you want to put onto your website. Maybe you want a calculator for real estate investors when they come to your website and they can calculate their potential return on investment on any specific deal. Or maybe you want like a mortgage calculator. So let me show you here. It's Lovable.dev. Let me just sign in. And so what I did is I asked Lovable to create a real estate profit calculator for investors. And I want to show up on the homepage. And what this is doing is it's actually coding for us. And so it's writing code. I don't know if you've seen all these things with cursor and vibe coding, but that's essentially what this is here. And so they're going to make this a functioning web app that I can get my custom domain for, and it can live on the internet. But what I really like about Lovable is that it has more flexibility in terms of complex features that you could put onto a website, something that some of the other ones don't have. So specifically, if you're looking for those types of complex features, whether this is any type of like calculators or really like intricate things that you want to build, then Lovable might be something worth exploring. And while Lovable is coding our web app for us, let's go over and look at the pricing. So you'll see that $25 per month gets you the pro plan. And with this, you'll get a lot of features. You'll get monthly credits. They do it on a little bit of a different system than the other website builders. And you're gonna have to pay for some other things like domains as well. So Lovable is definitely on the higher end in terms of pricing, but it offers a lot more interesting features, especially in the age of AI. And so we can see right here, this is what they've created for us by just asking me, like I just said one sentence, and it has created this profit calculator, and we can make this site go live by just clicking publish up here. But this actually works. Like I can type in numbers and these will actually work. And if something doesn't work, I can just tell it, hey, can you recode this and fix it for me? And it will. This is truly magic. It's something I haven't really seen before. I guess we're in the age of AI where we have all these new things coming out. So really interesting there.